Hello and welcome to my channel. It's all new BYD Auto 2 and you're watching 5 minutes review. Let's go around. Okay guys, this video will be unusual because I've got very limited time with this car. I recorded this video a couple of weeks ago on the official premiere of BYD Auto 2 in one of the dealership. Let me start from driving experience, and please apologize the view from the camera, but I wasn't alone in the car, so that's why camera is on the lower level. But anyway, that's not important. More important are my driving experience, and let's start from that. The car is very responsive to the accelerated pedal, but I noticed after a few minutes that I was on sport mode. But anyway, the speed was alright, and actually when you change the drive modes, you will find out that each drive mode is completely different. So compared to Eco to Sport, there is huge difference. Like I said before, the Sport mode is quite fast. The Eco is, I will say, it's not slow, but just be careful on the roundabout. If you need some quick action, you will need to change the mode to normal or to Eco for the first few seconds, because the accelerate pedal doesn't respond quickly as you want. So just keep in mind, but that's from my experience anyway. So while driving, I didn't find any problem with the A-pillars, which are quite narrow, I will say. Also the interior mirror is on the right position. Alright, and just take a look at the camera. It's not full HD, but it's always good to get something like that than completely nothing. Alright, and that's all about the driving experience. Let me start my usual quick review. Okay guys, that's your key. Let me start as usual from the boot. So let's close the car. Let's open it. And let's try to open the boot from the key, if we can do it. Unlocked actually, but no, we can't do anything. Yeah, we need to open by the hand. Okay, maybe in other configuration is automatically. Amount of space you can see right now on your screen, and I will show as usual what you can find inside, all dimension and the other stuff. So as you can see, you got quite spaces, 2 pockets on the side, nice flat floor. You don't have huge step here. Actually, I will say this quite flat. Let's open the floor, and then you got your tools, cables, and I will say another huge compartment. That's great. Apart of that, you've got one hook. It's like a hook, LED light, and the shelf. Let me check the dimension of the boot. The boot is long, up to 72 centimeters. It's wide, up to 96, almost 96 centimeters, and it's high up to the shelf, something like 36 centimeters. Okay, maybe it's not very big, but definitely it's enough, I will say. Okay, let me check how long is the boot with the seat area. Look at that, you've got almost flat floor, and from upper part of the backrest you've got 134 centimeters. That's all about the boot. Let's go under the bonnet. All details you can see right now on your screen, and I will say there's lots of space here, even for some extra compartment. Yeah. Okay, let's go inside the car. Right guys, let me start from the interior. So as usual, from the handle, as you can see, they are completely different handle. You need to open them like that. That's meaning you've got lots of room for your fingers from the front and from the back. Let's open the door. Let's check the quality. As you can see, the upper part is made of hard plastic. There is something like a leather here. Okay, here's also hard. Nice handle, and nice and soft on this part. Also here, and the armrest is quite nice. Quite spaces storage here, and I would say the average size of the pocket. On this configuration, you've got electric adjustment of the seat. The seats are very comfortable, trust me. We've got very nice headrest. Okay, you cannot adjust the headrest, but trust me, you will find very comfortable position. Also on the shoulder level is lots of room. Also here, the side support is quite big, but it's soft. I like it. And here is very soft on the seat itself, and you've got lots of space. The middle tunnel is quite high, quite wide, but you've got extra storage there, plus USB port C, 2 of them, and place for your SIM card or memory card. Okay, let me jump inside the car. Alright guys, I'm inside the car, and let's be honest, if you jump to this car first time, you always will find lots of space, and also you will find yourself like in your own car. Why? Because everything here is, I don't know if that's correct, but it's nice and friendly for you, for the driver. You've got, like I said, a very comfortable position behind the steering wheel, very comfortable seat. And yeah, so I will start as usual from amount of space, then I will show my visibility and everything what you can find inside the car. But trust me, this is the game changer, I will say. So as you know, I'm 193 centimeter tall, and the driver's seat now is on the lower position, and above my head I got something like let's say 7 fingers, even 8, so that's lots of room. On the front of my knee there is lots of room also. As you can see, there's lots of room for my leg on the front, on the side. I love it. Like I said before, the middle tunnel is quite high, and this plastic, and you've got hard plastic on the side, but let's be honest, look at that, there is lots of room, and actually my leg touching this place here, not that one here. Look at that, that's great, absolutely great, I love it. The steering wheel is made of quite nice material. It's not soft, okay, it's a little bit tough, but you have the feeling like the steering wheel is quite sporty, in my opinion anyway. Let me know in the comment below what you think about it. But anyway, you've got the logo BYD. The steering wheel, of course, is multifunctional, and you can find everything what you need in the steering wheel. So here is also nice and soft. The dash is nice and soft. That's a surprise. Okay, I love it. So that's the start stop button, which I couldn't find before. Graphic. All right, so quite nice, simple and very fast. Look at that. So that's your main screen with all necessary information. I love it. Everything, whatever you need, you will find here. Also, whatever you need adjust, you don't have to tap this main screen. You can operate everything, actually most of things, from the steering wheel. I love it. So on that way, and you can just change your air vents, the speed, okay, or power, or touch again, go down, up and down, and you can just adjust the temperature of the inside the car. So below that you've got your air vents, then you've got the induction charger, you've got few physical buttons which I like, the driving mode, you've got snow, eco, sport, and normal. Yeah, somewhere normal is also all right. You've got also 2 cup holders, huge arms, which is nice and soft. You can open it, and you've got quite nice compartment. You've got another compartment which is nice and big. On the top you've got your sun visor with the LED light, and quite big mirror. You've got the handle on this side, but not on this side. That's all about the front. Let me jump to the back. Unfortunately, another customer was already waiting for the car, so I will show the rear using the video I recorded with my phone before the test drive. Sitting in the back behind myself, I've got enough room even for my knee, and there is 3 fingers above my head. It's definitely better than the competition in the same segment. Additionally, you will find the air vents, 2 USB port C, and 2 pockets. Alright guys, and that's all for today. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about this car, if you are interested about the BYD, just because I noticed there is lots of BYD on the road. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your followers, and see you next time.